Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming values are numeric, because functions behave differently on text. Select the exact range or column you want to change. Click the column header to pick an entire column quickly. Once done, make a backup copy of the sheet or paste values into a new sheet. This preserves original data. Now, choose the method: formatting for display only or a formula to change stored values. We'll begin with formatting for the fastest, reversible approach. You can remove decimals visually using format number and set decimal places to 0. This keeps underlying values intact, which is useful for later calculations. For permanent changes, use formulas: equals round, A2, 0 to round, or equals int, A2 to truncate. Choose based on whether you want rounding or chopping. Once done with one cell, expand with fill handle or use array formula like equals array formula, round A2. Once formula results look correct, copy the result range and choose Edit Paste Special Values only to overwrite originals. This commits the no decimal numbers. Make sure to update any dependent formulas that expected decimals, because rounding can change totals. If you see errors or unexpected results, check that cells are numeric and strip stray spaces or non-numeric characters. Use value or trim if needed. If results still differ, revert to your backup and adjust rounding versus truncation accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.